Most of our businesses have been in existence 60 to 100 years, and we just bring a lot of knowledge and expertise into the problem solving. And then I think we're evolving and constantly adding new capability, especially around technology, as we move into more of a smart, connected, automated world. Introducing technology into that space, not to replace firefighters, but to help them be more efficient, to address fires faster, because there's exponential growth with fires, and that helps save lives. All of our teams globally take tremendous pride in the effect they have in the community, and it really drives a sense of excellence on the floor. If we fail in the factory, the net result of that could be failure, which equals somebody's life. The team works very, very hard. It takes quality issues very seriously, a lot of pride in workmanship, and there's a lot of ownership around that. And we represent brands that have a really long legacy and history of quality and excellence in performance. And they all understand that that equates into more lives being saved, whether that's civilians or the firefighters in the field.